So the base coat of the, come on John, start again. Apply this and then put your top coat over the top and you will get crackles. So I'm not going to do the whole piece. I mean, there's, come on John. The two base coats of paint are now thoroughly dried and I'm going to move on to another product that I absolutely love. So, you can keep on filming, I'll just correct myself. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're still filming, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's time. Get rid of all of this, start again. Enjoy. So let's enjoy applying these coats of paint. I've got my Posh chalk brushes and we're...
What are the brushes called, Jonathan?
Posh.
Would you bend?
Are they would you bend?
The Posh chalk, the brand is Posh chalk.
Yeah.
But the type of brushes, would you bend? So you can get into all the nooks and crannies of the
Is
would you
that why
bend.
you call them would you bends?
Yeah.
See, I'm learning, guys. Would you bend by Posh chalk? Too many names, confusing. Right, I'll start again. All the crackle is... It's been a long day. Right. Are you filming? Are you filming?
I don't know.
I'm ready for you to stop crunching. Sorry. Ready?
Ready?
Now?
I'm still filming.
Oh, great.
Do you want me, let me stop.
So we're now at the final stages. My absolute favourite, using a mixture of waxes. First up, we're going to use Posh chalk. Start again. I don't know. Why am I looking there? Too many cameras. Too many cameras.